go. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You're gonna be like, whoa, it works, trust me. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this guide, I'll be showing you guys how to get Chat GPT Plus for free. So if you guys do want to get it for free, all you have to do is go to the website ogsnags.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you're gonna see a number of coupon codes and stuff like that. So just go to the search bar and type in Chat GPT, and as you can see, it says Chat GPT Plus code. So press on this and now you can read all about it. So we're gonna go ahead and press the button that says show coupon code, and before it loads, it's gonna say get full code. So what you wanna do, guys, is go ahead and press that, and then now it will bring you over here and it's gonna tell you that you have to complete this verification step, which is fairly easy. It's just downloading 2 apps, following the instructions, and then you will get your Chat GPT Plus code for free, guys. So as you can see, we got like Underdog Fantasy, which says download and run for 30 seconds. So we could do that, or we could do, you know, DraftKings, Mode Casino, whatever. Just make sure you do 2 of these and you're gonna be good to go. That's how to get Chat GPT Plus for free on ogsnags.com. So that's the website, guys, that you gotta go to. It's super cool, and this is fully updated, so you guys can use it right away. So I think it's gonna work pretty well. You just gotta follow all the steps. So yeah, this is updated and it's so insane, bro. So remember, ogsnags.com, that's the website, so you guys have got to try it out. So yeah, super cool. So if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it, but make sure you guys are completing the verification correctly, which means downloading 2 of the apps, following the instructions, and then you're gonna be good to go. So there's lots of apps on here, as you can see, so make sure you do 2 of them, find the best ones, and then do those. So OG Snags, that's the website, guys, so be sure to try this out. It's fully updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it. But that's how to get Chat GPT Plus for free, fully updated. Just make sure you go to settings, keep that background app refresh turned on, and you're gonna be good to go, guys. So yeah, it's fully updated, so I think it's gonna work wonders for you guys.